guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Spectrum cable box which is getting stuck on your L3. So here's a fix for your boot recovery and signal. Fix 1. Wait up to 20 minutes for data retrieval. Turn on your television set using your primary TV or remote control that's on L3. Verify the TV screen displays a prompt reading as your TV will be right with you or retrieving channel info. Press the OK or Select key on your physical Spectrum remote while pointing it at the box to view a hidden loading catalog progress bar. Allow the system up to 20 full minutes to push through this phase if you recently experienced a neighborhood power outage or firmware cycle. Fix 2. Perform a hard power reset. Locate the thick electrical power cord plugged into the back panel of the Spectrum cable box. Pull the cable straight out from the device to completely cut off the power supply. Wait for full 60 seconds to allow the internal capacitors and memory chip arrays to drain entirely. Reinsert the power cable firmly back into the box slot and wait to see if the reverse countdown from L8 down to straight L1, which would pass through your L3. Fix 3. Bypass local line splitters and overheating zones. Trace the coaxial line to see if it plugs into a small metallic two-way or three-way signal splitter block. Unplug the line from the splitter and plug it directly from the wall outlet into the cable box to rule out a faulty splitter causing a weak signal. Relocate the box to an open area if it is jammed inside the tight entertainment cabinet. Clear out any dust built up along the cooling vents to prevent internal overheating from freezing the software down. Fix 4. Send a digital signal refresh online. You can open any browser on your phone or computer and log into your official Spectrum sign-in dashboard. Navigate to the Services menu tab and select the TV option subcategory. Find your Find your specific stuck cable box model listed under your hardware pool and click on Troubleshoot. Select Experiencing Issues and choose Send Refresh Signal to force the remote servers to push a fresh channel package download down the line. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.